In this example, we'll cover how you can start with your blog with a recipe in it and go ahead and import that into Schema App and then go ahead and change it from a blog to a recipe and then follow the instructions for adding details about the recipe. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your posts. So you're going to bring up the recipe as though it's in a blog. So in my case, it's not a recipe, but we'll pretend it is. So we'll bring up this blog. And the benefit of doing this is that then all the information about sort of the publish date, the author, the description that you've previously, or that's automatically added by Schema App plugin from WordPress is automatically added and can save you some time when going to add the additional detail about the recipe. So what you're going to do is go ahead here and you're going to go add blog posting default markup. So we're going to add to it or edit it. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to go ahead and either prompt you to log into Schema App, or in my case, I'm already logged in. So it's just going to go ahead and create that login. Now, if you have multiple sub-accounts, you'll want to be in the sub-account for the person you're doing. Oh, look, great photo of Martha rapping. And so here what we're going to do, so it's pulled in, you can see sort of the headline, the date published, the picture, as well as, keywords, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this. And what I want to do is tell Schema App that this is something different. It's not a blog. And in this case, I'm going to pretend it's a recipe. And you can pick any other types. You're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page where it has type. And you can see by default it's blog posting or web page. So I'm going to remove the web page and I'm going to change the type here to recipe. Now, if you type in, you can change it to, let's say it was a law firm or, landmark. You can really pick anything that's in Schema App. So in this case, it's going to be a recipe. I'm going to select that. Now, in order for it to change sort of the fields that you can add now that it thinks it's a recipe, you have to go ahead and save the changes. It's going to be lots of edits. That's fine. Lots of errors. And then I'm going to go ahead and edit it again. And this time when I go in to edit it, it's going to provide me the fields that are associated to recipe. Since I've gone ahead and changed or told it a different thing that I'm trying to mark up. So now I'd be able to go in and sort of add the name of the recipe, the aggregate rating, etc. So you can see it has like a cooking method, etc. that's aligned with the recipe. So that's how you sort of import a blog and then change the type to the type that you want it to be. And in this case, I was using the example of recipe.